Latvia is a small country located in the Baltic region of Northern Europe. It is bordered by Estonia, Russia, Belarus, and Lithuania. Latvia has a rich history and culture, and one of the most important aspects of its culture is its cuisine. Latvian cuisine is known for its hearty and filling dishes, as well as its use of locally sourced ingredients. In this article, we will explore the traditional dishes of Latvia and their history. Latvian cuisine, a brief history. Latvian cuisine is heavily influenced by the country's history and geography. The cuisine is a mix of local and foreign influences, reflecting the country's past as part of various empires and kingdoms. For example, the cuisine of Latvia has been influenced by the German, Russian, and Swedish cultures, as well as the local Baltic traditions. Historically, Latvians were farmers, and their diet consisted mainly of meat, dairy products, and grains. Potatoes were introduced to Latvia in the 18th century and quickly became a staple food. Today, Latvian cuisine is a mix of traditional dishes and modern fusion cuisine, incorporating flavors and techniques from around the world. Traditional Latvian dishes. Rye bread, rupšmaize. Rye bread is an essential part of the Latvian diet. Rupšmaize, or dark rye bread, is particularly popular in Latvia. It is made from a mixture of rye flour, water, and yeast, and is baked until it is dense and chewy. Rye bread is served with almost every meal in Latvia, and it is also used to make a variety of other dishes. Potato pancakes, kartupeļu pankakas. Potato pancakes are a traditional Latvian dish that is served as a main course or a side dish. The pancakes are made from grated potatoes, onions, and eggs, and are fried until they are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. They are often served with sour cream or apple sauce. Grey peas with bacon, pelkizerni or spiki. Grey peas with bacon is a hearty dish that is perfect for cold winter days. The dish consists of boiled grey peas, which are mixed with fried bacon and onions. It is often served with a side of rye bread. Meat jelly, klaka. Meat jelly, or klaka, is a traditional Latvian dish that is typically served during holidays and special occasions. The dish is made from pork, beef, or chicken, which is boiled until the meat falls off the bone. The broth is then mixed with gelatin, and the meat is added back into the mixture. The dish is served cold and is often garnished with vegetables and herbs. Sauerkraut soup, skabenu zupa. Sauerkraut soup is a traditional Latvian soup that is made with sauerkraut, potatoes, onions, and pork. The soup is cooked until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded together. It is often served with a dollop of sour cream. Latvian desserts. Raspberry cake, rupšmaizes kartojums are a venom. Raspberry cake is a traditional Latvian dessert that is made with layers of rye bread, whipped cream, and raspberry jam. The cake is then topped with fresh raspberries and served